Hey everyone, today we're tackling a common bathroom issue, a sticky Moen single-handle faucet. If your handle feels stiff or hard to move, it's usually because the cartridge inside needs cleaning or replacing. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, so you can get yours working smoothly again. Tools and materials: an adjustable wrench or pliers, Phillips screwdriver, Allen wrench, usually 3/32 or 7/64. Replacement Moen cartridge, check your model. Silicone-based plumber's grease, towel or rag. Step 1. Turn off water supply. First, turn off the water supply to your faucet. You'll usually find the shut-off valves under the sink. Turn them clockwise until they stop. Then open the faucet handle to release any remaining water and pressure. Step 2. Remove handle. Next, pop off the small cap on the handle to reveal the set screw. Use your Phillips screwdriver or hand to loosen the screw and lift the handle straight off. Step 3. Access the cartridge. Now, remove the retaining nut or collar using your Phillips screwdriver. Once that's off, you can see the cartridge inside. Step 4. Remove the cartridge. Moen cartridges sometimes stick, so if you have the Moen cartridge removal tool or an adjustable wrench or pliers, it'll make this step easier. Slide it in, twist, and pull the cartridge straight out. Take note of its orientation so you can reinstall it correctly. Step 5. Clean or replace. If your cartridge looks clean, you can apply silicone grease to the seals and reinstall it. But if it's worn, cracked, or has mineral buildup that won't clean off, replace it with a new one. Step 6. Reinstall. Slide the cartridge back into place in the same orientation. Reattach the retaining nut. Put the handle back on and tighten the set screw. Don't forget to snap the cap back in. Step 7. Turn on water and test. Turn the water supply back on and test the faucet. The handle should now move smoothly and you're good to go. And that's how you fix a sticky Moen single-handle bathroom faucet. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY plumbing tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.